Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we have a new gaming gadget in our collection, which is LG UltraGear 27-inch gaming monitor. It is integrated with a full HD IPS panel with a maximum refresh rate of 240Hz, and also it comes with NVIDIA G-Sync and also AMD FreeSync. And also I bought this monitor from Amazon Great Indian Festival Sale. So if you're interested, I will be leaving the link to purchase this monitor in the description down below. So guys, without any further ado, let's begin with the unboxing and the first impression of this gaming monitor. So guys, that was the unboxing of this gaming monitor. Now let me give you some overview on the amazing features that this monitor has. So first of all, obviously it has an ultra-wide IPS panel with 240Hz refresh rate with 99% sRGB. You can adjust the height of this monitor. There's no issue with that. It's really easy to do it. You just have to pull the screen a little above and it is just done like that. It's really easy. And also one of the very key highlights of this monitor is that it has a 90-degree pivot angle where you can actually use this monitor as a portrait, in a portrait mode. Usually we use a monitor in a landscape mode, but because of this 90-degree pivot angle, we can use it in a portrait mode. That is one of the very key features of this gaming monitor. So overall guys, I'm having a blast with this gaming monitor because it is giving me a very immersive gaming experience with 240Hz refresh rate. So I was playing some games and you can actually notice the difference between 144Hz to 240Hz. So it is really amazing. So guys, I will be really recommending this gaming monitor to hardcore gamers, as it has like 99% sRGB, 240Hz refresh rate with 1 millisecond response time, and also it is really ultra wide, so it gives you a very nice viewing angles while playing games. So I'm having a blast. As I said before, I'm loving this monitor and I'm enjoying playing games much more than before. So that's pretty much it from my side, guys. If you like the video, thumbs up would be appreciated. A sub to the channel would be amazing because I'm bringing some really new content with some really new launched products. So stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching. Let's meet in the next video.